Facts about football. The world's most famous game. It is a skill that everybody wants to see and also play to energize themselves. It is the game that is in blood of men and women. They gone crazy about their team and support their team without getting any reward. The people are showing very strange behavior about their team and gone very crazy sometimes that they can fight with the opponent team supporters. Let's explore the world of nature and go beyond the limits while exploring the beauty of nature. Do subscribe to our channel and press the bell icon button for getting every update about the channel. And let's start. Number 1. Do you know who invented the game football? Chinese people invented the football game in 476 BC. Number 2. Football is the most watched game in the world. The game is also most played in the world. Number 3. In America and Canada, the name of the football game changed its name. They call them the soccer game. Number 4. In the football game, the players continuously run in the ground while following the football. It is estimated that in each match, every player runs almost 9 kilometers on the ground. Very tough training required for the football players. Number 5. The black people in the world are always facing less importance in the society due to the poor behavior of the society. Arthur Wharton is the first black football player that attracts the attention and got famed in the world. Number 6. Pakistan is the only country in the world that has a record of manufacturing most footballs. Around 80% of the footballs of the world manufactured in Pakistan. Pakistan is the largest exporter of footballs in the FIFA World Cups. Number 7. The most goals scored in the history of the country. Do you know about the name of that player? I am sure you are thinking about the Messi or Ronaldo, but they are not. Stephen Stanis is the player that scored more goals in the world in 1942 from the France country. Number 8. The total area of football ground on which the game played is about 100 yards. Number 9. The Hall of Fame Award for the football situated in Ohio, USA. They managed to deliver the award by seeing the performance of a player. Number 10. The international football game is divided into a duration of about 90 minutes, in which 2 halves of 45 minutes included. Number 11. North Korea, a restricted country that has many other facts, such as it has the largest football stadium in the world. The name of the stadium is Rungrado Maeda Stadium. Number 12. The players want to perform well in the field as well as to entertain the audience and to win the game. The world's fastest football goal is made by Ricardo Oliveira in 1988. The duration of this goal is just 2.8 seconds. Number 13. The number of players in the match is 16 that played in a single match. Number 14. The first goalkeeper in the world has won the Golden Ball Award. The only goalkeeper that has this achievement in the world. Number 15. Football matches causes sometimes the most dangerous matches in the world. A very tight match by calling the referee in Peru. A fight started between the opponent audience and it leads to the severe injuries and deaths. In this fight, almost 300 people died and almost 500 injured. Number 16. The team that reached the final became very popular in the world. The European teams are the most reached in the finals of the Football World Cups. The first football club was announced in 1857 as English Sheffield Football Club. Number 17. Lightning is always very dangerous to everyone. But did you know about the lightning on the football team? In 1988, Lightning killed a whole team during the match. Number 18. The ball used for the football game is the same for 120 years. It has the same circumference of about 100 years. Number 19. Neil Armstrong is a big fan of football also. He wants to take football to the moon, but NASA refused it. Number 20. Now all of us see football matches on television and other devices, but did you know about the first match aired on the TV? The first match aired on the TV in 1937 for the first time. Number 21. Greenland is the only country in the world that can't join FIFA because of its grass issue. Grass cannot grow there properly. Number 22. The winning of the World Cup is a dream of every country and of course every player. Denisov is the oldest player in the team that wins the World Cup. At that time, his age is almost 40 years old. Number 23. Cristiano Ronaldo is the single player in the world that has a record of a goal in every minute. Lee Todd is the fastest receiving red card player because of using very odd language. Number 24. The largest tournament of the football history held in 1999, in which 5,098 teams take part, whereas more than 35,000 players take part in this tournament. Number 25. The first professional football player that charges for playing a match. The player's name was Pudge and paid $500 in 1892. It seems to be a very expensive player at that time. Number 26. The name of the game football, made when everyone starts using their feet to push the ball and don't use their hands. That's the reason behind the name of football. Number 27. Football is the best sport in the world and the FIFA World Cup is the most watched World Cup around the globe. Football is the only game in the world in which you can't touch the ball with your hand. Football companies make more money than any other games industry. Number 28. Football franchises are the most expensive companies in the field of sports. The most famous and valuable franchises are FC Barcelona, Manchester United, and Real Madrid. Number 29. FIFA requested the Olympics authorities that they should add football in the Olympics, but they resisted it. After that, FIFA make a big announcement that they are going to hold their own World Cup of football in 1930, and the cup was announced to be played in the Uruguay. 13 countries take part in the cup and Uruguay wins it. Later, FIFA becomes the most watched season in the world. Number 30. Brazil is the only country in the world that wins most of the World Cup titles. Number 31. What is your favorite game? I think if you are living in the United States, then your answer will be football. Football is the most popular game in the United States. Number 32. Wilson is the company that is producing the footballs in the world. They are producing about 4,000 balls a day. Number 33. It is very strange for you to know about the salary or payment of the cheerleaders during the football matches. It is about an average of $125 per match. That is so bad. On the other hand, the players are making millions of the dollars and the low-level performers are earning nothing. So bad. Number 34. Miami Dolphins, a franchise of football playing team that owns a very perfect record of winning streaks. The football club wins the most of the regular season and postseason simultaneously. Number 35. Some other football variations are developed by the changes in the rules of the game and also made changes in their player area. The name of the other variations are Fusser, e-football and beach football. Number 36. A player got a yellow and red colored card for breaking the rule. If a player gets 2 yellow cards, then he will be sent off from the ground by giving them a red card. Number 37. The Japanese football player named Kazu is the oldest football player in the world. He broke the record of former player Sir Stanley Matthew at the age of 50. Number 38. Football leagues are always the main point of discussion among the fans of these leagues. Among the most famous 3 leagues, the English Premier League is the best in the world. Number 39. The most expensive football player in the world owned by any franchise is Neymar. Neymar purchased by the Barcelona club. Number 40. The most goals done by any league during the one single season is 66 goals. That's all for the football. Thanks for watching. If you have not subscribed our channel, press the bell icon button and subscribe button for getting more content about the world. Thank you.